If you want to stay ahead by playing with quantum computing and its applications, here are resources for you. They are beginner-friendly. 1. Qiskit. Qiskit is developed by IBM Quantum. Strengths: it offers a wide range of tutorials, textbooks, and a large community. It allows you to experiment with real quantum hardware if available. It is well documented. It is best for beginners and those who want to dive deep into quantum programming and hardware. 2. Cirq. Cirq is developed by Google AI Quantum. Strengths: it focuses on near-term quantum algorithms and applications. It integrates well with other Python libraries, designed for ease of use and experimentation, best for those interested in practical applications of quantum computing and working with Google's quantum hardware. 3. Xanadu's PennyLane. PennyLane is developed by Xanadu. Strengths: emphasizes hybrid quantum classical machine learning, allows for automatic differentiation of quantum circuits, focuses on continuous variable quantum computing, best for those interested in machine learning, quantum chemistry, and continuous variable quantum computing. 4. Microsoft's Q-Hash. Q-Hash is developed by Microsoft. Strengths: offers a high-level programming language specifically for quantum computing, seamless integration with Microsoft's cloud platform, focuses on topological quantum computing, best for those interested in exploring Microsoft's quantum development tools and topological quantum computing. 5. Online courses, platforms: Coursera, edX, Udacity, Quantum Inspire Academy. Benefits: structured learning, interactive exercises, and often offer certifications. Tips for beginners: start with the basics. Understand fundamental concepts like qubits, superposition, entanglement, and quantum gates. Choose a platform that resonates with you. Consider your interests and the specific goals you want to achieve. The best way to learn is by doing. Experiment with code, build simple circuits, and gradually increase complexity. Engage in online forums, attend meetups, and connect with other learners. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Try different approaches and find what works best for you. Remember that quantum computing is a rapidly evolving field. The best resources and tools will continue to improve and new ones will emerge. I hope this helps.